Hello children, welcome to your English class. Today we will do chapter number 7, the scholar's mother tongue exercises given in your Marigold book. So first of all, begin with questions and answers. So question number 1, who came to Akbar's court? Answer is a learned Pandit came to Akbar's court. Question number 2, what did he claim to know? He means that Pandit. So what did he claim to know? Answer is he claimed to know many different languages. He could speak them fluently. Question number 3. How did he challenge everybody? How did he challenge everybody? Answer is he challenged everybody to name his mother tongue. He challenged everybody to name his mother tongue. Now next question. Match the words in column A with words in column B. Some words given in column A and some words given in column B. You have to choose the correct answer and match with it. Like A, king, teacher, doctor, bus driver, lawyer, mother. Column B, children, patients, courtiers, clients, passengers, students. Now the correct answer is king, courtiers, teacher, students, doctor, patients, bus driver, passengers, lawyer, clients, mother, children. So do not write like this. You have to match, means draw a line and match it. Okay. Now next exercise. Look and fill the columns, and one has been done for you. So quiet, quietly, fluent, fluently, angry, angrily, sad, sadly, fierce, fiercely, gentle, gently. Now look at the answers. Quiet, quietly, fluent, fluently, angry, angrily, sad, sadly, fierce, fiercely, gentle, gently. So do this exercise in your book and notebook both. Now next, it's talk time. So let's take the correct answer. Number 1, I visited the court of Akbar's means. What is the means of visited the court of Akbar's means? You came there for a short time. Answer B. Number 2, to imitate someone means. Imitate means किसी को copy करना. So what is the meaning of imitate someone means? Copy someone. So correct answer is A. Copy someone. Now next exercise is let's share. How did बीरबल find out about the पंडित's mother tongue? बीरबल को कैसे पता चला कि पंडित की मदर टंग क्या है? Answer is बीरबल was a clever man. He entered into Pandit's room when he was sleeping. Then he whispered into the Pandit's ear and tickled it with a feather. Pandit got scared and awake to shout in his mother tongue. Thus बीरबल came to know his mother tongue. So जब हम परेशानी में होते हैं तो जो भी पहला वर्ड हमारे मुंह से निकलता है वो हमारी मदर टंग में निकलता है. Now next is the truth balloon. So look at the picture on page number 125. Suppose you are going on a camping holiday. What are the 4 most important things you will carry with you? Choose from the tags attached to the hot air balloon. So look at the picture and now answer is you first aid kit, water bottles, food packets, money and blanket. So these are the most 4 important things which I will carry. Now fun time, crossword fun. So this is a crossword fun, puzzles. So India is a country of many languages. So let's see if you know what the people of the states in this crossword puzzle speak. The clues are given below. The first letter of each answer has been filled in for you. So look at the picture on page number 127. First word of every language has been given. Now across. This language is spoken in Orissa. It is spoken in Karnataka. Number 4 is the people of Assam speak this language. Number 7, this language is used in Andhra Pradesh. You can hear this spoken in Maharashtra. Okay. Now down. The people of Kerala speak this language. This is our national language. So the language of the Goan people, this is spoken in Tamil Nadu. It is widely spoken in Uttar Pradesh and elsewhere. Okay. So the language spoken in Orissa, see this number 1, it is Oriya. Okay. It is spoken in Karnataka across. Number 2, spoken in Karnataka, this is Kannada. Okay. Number 3, the people of Assam speak this language. So look at number 4, the word is starting with A, Assamese. Number 7, this language is used in Andhra Pradesh. Look at number 7, it is start with T. So it is Telugu. Number 8, you can hear this spoken in Maharashtra. So number 8, it's starting with A, M. So it is Marathi. So look at this puzzle word. Now next, down. The people of Kerala speak this language. Number 3. So K. It is number 3. Look at this. Where is number 3? Yes. It is Malayalam. It is Malayalam. This is our national language. Number 5. Our national language is Hindi. Number 6. The language of Goan people speak. Number 6. Goan people speaks Konkani. Goan people speaks Konkani. This is spoken in Tamil Nadu. It is Tamil. Now it is widely spoken in Uttar Pradesh and elsewhere. It is starting with U, that is Urdu. Now you have to fill like this. Look at the box. Yes, you have to fill like this with the capital letters. So children, do given exercises in your book and notebook. Till then, goodbye.